Who knows Elliston Road Police Station? Have you ever been summoned to Elliston Road Police Station? It means you're not driving well on the road. I've never been down here. I'm only here to deliver a package. And the beautiful lady's out. Let me... Oh, watch here. Come here, man. You are pretty.
Thank you.
She pretty, come look on her.
No.
Hi, Faith. Dan. I nearly give you my government name, you know. So why are you hiding from me now, Ranisha? All of a sudden you get shy.
No, I'm not.
No, okay. You reach home early Friday though.
I work from home.
You work from home? Oh, lucky you. I wish I was working from home. But this traffic not easy. How you liking the service though?
I'm enjoying it so far.
You enjoying it?
Yes.
That is why you ship every week.
Not every week though.
Well, every week is good. We're not complaining. I want to tell you, firsthand, that we really appreciate you patronizing our business. And I want you to, invite some more of your family and friends because we want to make the thing bigger and better.
I'll do that.
And since you've been enjoying it, must share a good thing, right?
Yes.
Okay. Anything you want to tell me? Who's that blush? Anything?
No.
What kind of work you do?
I work at the call center.
Okay. What kind of account you on?
Amazon.
Amazon? Oh, so that is why you... Okay. So we never see smoke without fire. Okay. All right. The only thing I know about Elliston Road is police station. Anytime you get a call to come to Elliston Road Police Station, I give trouble. I end up down at the court.
Really?
What is the area like though, outside of that?
It's okay. It's more like a residential area.
Yeah, nice and quiet. Nobody not give no trouble.
No,
So
sir.
if I come running, your trouble can start give, right?
No.
I can't come and give some trouble.
No.
No, but you'd be good reason to give trouble. No. You like anyway, she like it the way it is. I won't give any more trouble. I'm gonna leave her to her job. This is how we do it on the delivery trail. And really, really appreciate it. Say something, she wanna say something. Make her say it. Go ahead. Go on, man.
I ship with Island Shipper.
Delivery trail. Have a good one.